Nigeria prays for peace and love. Lord, hear our humble cry. Bless this nation.
Lord, bring back peace to Nigeria.
Yes, Lord.
Let everyone say it together.
We agree.
From the north